Okay, welcome to the new year. Works around. Fireworks in the air. It's about 12 o'clock in the evening. Today is December 31. It's almost 32. It's almost January 1. So, I will lead you tour around. So, I will be presenting to you or showing to you the different fireworks manigong bagong taon sa atin during Christmas, during New Year's Eve sa buong mundo. Okay? I hope you will enjoy the New Year. Merry New Year. Happy New Year sa lahat, and may we have a very happy and prosperous year ahead. Maraming salamat sa panood. Thank you. Pero mag-ingat tayo. Enjoy. Fireworks sa Paris. New York City. Dito sa Japan. Dito sa Pilipinas, sa Makati. Cebu. Okay, nakikita nyo, hindi rin naman natatalo ang mga fireworks natin dito sa ating kumpara sa ibang bansa, di ba? Okay lang. Lalong hindi tayo natatalo sa kasiyahan kasi tayo talaga ay masayang, lagi tayong hopeful pagdating ng bagong taon. Salamat at sana'y nag-enjoy kayo. At huwag kalimutan, please like, share, and subscribe. Again, Happy New Year. Thank you for watching.